There are many steps that you can do as you're making pizza. We're going to take 3 of those steps: mixing the batter, kneading the dough, and tossing it to shape it in this next song. This is called Baking Pizza, and we learned this from Abby the Librarian's blog. Play along. Are you ready? Get your mixing bowl ready. Every little baker loves mixing, mixing. Every little baker loves mixing dough. Again. Every little baker loves mixing, mixing. Every little baker loves mixing dough. Then we're going to knead the dough to get all the bubbles out. Pull it towards you and push it back. Ready? Every little baker loves kneading, kneading. Every little baker loves kneading dough. Again. Every little baker loves kneading, kneading. Every little baker loves kneading dough. The next part is the fun part. Are you ready to toss your dough in the air? Toss it like you're spinning it in the air. Here we go. Every little baker loves tossing, tossing. Every little baker loves tossing dough. Again. Every little baker loves tossing, tossing. Every little baker loves tossing dough. I don't think mine got stuck to the ceiling. Did yours? Whew. The fun thing about this song is you can extend it to anything that you're doing, making pizza or other things in the kitchen. If you're spreading sauce, every little baker loves spreading sauce. Or if you're adding toppings, every little baker loves adding toppings. You can make it your own and have fun with it. Enjoy your pizza making.